Today, I will introduce Andong Jjimdak. This dish originated in the Andong region of North Gyeongsang province and is also known as Andong Jjimdak. Soy sauce jjimdak is a Korean dish made with chicken and vegetables simmered in a sweet and salty soy sauce-based sauce. It's hearty and filling meal filled with chicken, potato, glass noodles, and onions. It's not spicy but has a rich flavor, making it popular with both Korean and foreigners. It's usually shared, often with rice or glass noodle mixed into the sauce. In addition to the classic soy sauce jjimdak, there are many other variations, including spicy jjimdak and cheesy jjimdak. Today, I will share a recipe for soy sauce jjimdak, also known as Andong Jjimdak. Ingredients are a handful of glass noodles, 1 carrot, 1 potato, 1 green onion, 1 mushroom, a half onion, 1 hot chili pepper, a little cabbage, and 150 water. And 1 kilogram of sliced chicken. The basic step in making Andong Jjimdak is to thoroughly soak the glass noodles in water. Soaking them for about an hour will help them absorb the seasonings better when cooking. If you don't want to add the glass noodles, you can skip it. Cooking the glass noodles allows them to absorb enough moisture, allows the seasoning to soak in better, resulting in chewy and salty texture. If you cook them without pre-soaking, the outside may appear cooked, but the inside may be hard, preventing them from absorbing the seasoning. Therefore, soaking them is essential. While the glass noodles are soaking, I will prepare the other ingredients. Rinse the chicken under running water. Remove any impurities such as intestines or blood between the bones. Next, boil the chicken first. Blanching the chicken first removes any odor and impurities, resulting in a clean, savory flavor. Once the water boils, discard all the water and rinse the chicken again in clean water. The chicken is ready. Now, let's prepare the ingredients. Cut the potatoes, carrots, onions, cabbages, and green onion into large, thick pieces. This will prevent them from breaking apart during cooking. Slice the mushroom lengthwise, the green onion, and hot chili pepper into small pieces. Now, let's make the sauce in the bowl. 3 tablespoons minced garlic, 15 soy sauce, 3 sesame oil, 8 cooking wine, 4 sugar, 180 water. Add them all and stir well until the sugar dissolves. Place the trimmed chicken in a deep pot or pan and pour in the prepared sauce all at once. Add 150 of water and bring to a boil over high heat. Wait until the water boils. Once the water starts to boil, add the potatoes, carrots, onions, cabbage, and mushrooms. Reduce the heat to medium and simmer for 15 minutes. Always remove the lid and simmer until the chicken is tender. Once the potato and carrots are tender when pierced, add the soaked glass noodle and simmer for about 5 minutes. And then add green onion and hot chili pepper. If you prefer a spicy cake, you can add a little pepperoncino. When the sauce is thick enough to coat the chicken and vegetables, it's done. Jjimdak is usually shared among several people, and mixing the remaining sauce with rice makes it even more delicious. Andong Jjimdak, a delicious and quick meal, is complete. Enjoy!